In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change folder icons in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let me just create a new file folder here. Let me just make a right click, go with new, and go with folder. And let's say for example, this is your file folder for games. And let's say if you would like to change the icon for the icon that is related to games. All you need to do is you need to make a right click, okay, and please scroll down and go with this properties. You can also press Alt and Enter key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the properties of the specific folder that you have created. So from here, click on the Customize, and at the bottom of that, you can see there changed icon. Eventually, you would be able to see icons that is being provided by your Windows. Okay, all you need to do is you need to choose the icons that you would like to go with. Okay, so probably it would be related to games. Okay, so let me just create it. Click on it once again and just locate for a specific file folder that is related to it. Okay, so we just have to select on it. So we'll just have to navigate it. Just choose any of the related. So let's say it as one. So click on OK, click on apply, and then OK, and eventually it will be changed. Okay. So in that way, you have just successfully changed the folder icon on your specific file folder. So another step that you can do is at the bottom search bar here, please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear. Okay. So once a best match should appear, please click on the open option to continue. Okay, so in a few moments, you would be redirected to this window. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set before we continue. Once a search bar would appear, please type for .ico space games. Then click on the enter key so that you would be able to be redirected to the result and proceed to the images. So click on it and eventually you would be able to see this one. All you need to do is you need to choose the icon that you want to go with. Okay? So let's say for example we will be going with this one. All you need to do is you need to click on it. So just choose any of the images here. Okay, so please click on the double tap to it so that you can visit on this image that you would like to download with. And there you can see PNG, ICO, or ICNS. So you need to select for ICO or ICO. Click on it. Okay. And from here, all you need to do is you need to scroll down. Okay, so we just have to click on this backward arrow and try to download it there. Okay. Proceed to this icon and go with download ICO. So click on it. Okay, and it will now start on the downloading. Click on this download icon, and once it says here done, okay, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So all you need to do is you need to select on it, okay, and please make a right click, go with this cut icon. Once you have do it, close the window as well as this one. And from here, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. Once you have moved it to the desktop, you need to place it inside the file folder that you have created. So place it here. Once done, please make a right click. Okay. Go with the properties and click on the customize. Once again, click on the changed icon. And all you need to do is you need to click on browse. So from here, please proceed to the games. Okay, and select on this one. Go with open, and it will show up here. Click on the OK. Go with apply and then OK. And eventually you have just successfully changed the folder icon here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.